What's up and good day mga boss? Welcome back dito sa aming shop, Aiming Ace Airsoft. Date today is December 4, 2025. So meron tayong shipping. Double Bell 721 kay Boss Ellery of Palawan. So inclusions muna ulit tayo. Metal magazine na 25 rounds. Then extra nozzle, tsaka cleaning rod. Unit itself, Double Bell 721, Glock 17. So metal slide, then polymer yung lower frame. Ayan. Threaded yung outer barrel. Meron siyang under rail for accessory attachment. Ito yung kabilang side. So try natin yung unit. So slide lock meaning wala na siyang BBs. So yun lang mga bossing. If may inquiries kayo, message lang kayo sa aming page. Aiming Ace by CJO. Thank you.